The Poly Studio X50 ships with the Studio X50 video bar, power supply and cable, LAN cable, HDMI cable, magnetic lens cap, and wall mount. An optional table stand or VESA mount can be ordered separately. Studio X50 ports include 2 USB ports, USB-C, aux microphone port, 3.5mm audio in and audio out. On the other side, 2 HDMI monitor ports, HDMI in, LAN, and power. Start by installing the included wall mount or VESA mount. For basic setup, connect HDMI out, the LAN cable, and power. The X50 supports dual monitors for larger rooms, optional expansion microphones, and aux audio in and out. Upon boot up, users will go through the out-of-box setup. The system will be set up via the web interface. During setup, you will pair a Poly TC8 touch control or an optional accessory, such as a remote control.